In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change font size on Roblox. If you want to make text bolder, or if it is too big and you'd like to reduce the text size, then you can make these changes easily in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then tap on More here. Under this, scroll down until you see this option called Settings. Now under Settings, go to the last option, Device Preferences. Here, scroll down until you see this option called Text Size. And by default, it is set to be the lowest or much smaller here. And you can increase this by moving this text bar to wherever or to any size that you wish. And you can see I have set it to this medium. So that's how you can change the font size in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.